Can't say enough about my surgeon, Dr. Steve Nguyen of Orlando, Florida, and also about the X10 machine because it just gave me flexion and extension like no other, I guess you could say. But I'm very pleased. I'm day 8. I took a 40-minute walk this morning. I'm doing side steps over cups with a physical therapist. I would have never have imagined with a bilateral 2 knees that I could be at this point, day 8 following surgery. My name is Ed Halusik. I'm from Greensburg, Pennsylvania, and I've needed bilateral total knee replacement surgery for about 2 years. I've done a lot of research. I actually had PRP and stem cells in hope that that would defer the surgery. I'm not sure what kind of effect that had. But when I sought out my surgeon, I was fortunate enough to have a sister who lives in the area of Orlando, who put me on to Dr. Steve Nguyen, who does a direct lateral approach, which is a favorable anatomic approach to decrease the trauma during surgery and lead to quicker recovery. So I flew from Pittsburgh to Orlando to have my knees done, both of them, and that was about 1 week ago. Actually, it was on the 17th. This is 8 days post-op. I've also incorporated, in addition to my surgeon, Dr. Nguyen, I incorporated the X10 physical therapy machine. I did research on this. I actually just found it on the web, and after doing all the reading on it, I found out it's much better than just a passive motion machine. Made a lot of sense to me, and I also incorporated that into my therapy. So the amazing thing about this story is the right surgeon and the right machine and the right coach, which comes with the machine. And what's amazing in my story, I think it's amazing, is I was at 130 flexion, which is bending the knee backward, and I'm just going to actually run the machine here. It's very easy to run. I was at 130 flexion, 0-degree extension, which you'll see the 0 degree here very shortly, in 2 days on my left leg and 4 days on my right leg, which is amazing progress. Now, even after I reached my full range of motion, I would still get on the machine 3 times a day for each leg, just to have that mobility to keep going. And also I noticed before my manual physical therapy sessions, it would just loosen my leg up, and so I did better, and even before I would walk. So I used it in many ways. Number 1, to get the range of motion, but number 2, to increase the efficiency of my physical therapy sessions, because I had the benefit of getting up early in the morning, getting on this thing, getting flexible, getting limber, and getting ready to go for the day. So thanks X10, and thank you Dr. Stephen Nguyen of Orlando, Florida.